In a world dominated by right-handedness, approximately 10% of the population stands out. These individuals, the left-handers, have long intrigued scientists and the public alike. Why do some people naturally favor their left hand for tasks like writing and throwing? The answer, as with many human traits, is complex and multifaceted. The preference for one hand over the other, known as handedness, is a fundamental aspect of human behavior. It reflects the brain's organization and how it controls motor skills. While the reasons behind left-handedness remain not fully understood, research suggests a complex interplay of genetic, environmental, and even cultural factors. To understand handedness, we must delve into the brain's architecture. The human brain is divided into two hemispheres, the left and the right, each specializing in different functions. This division of labor is called lateralization. The left hemisphere generally controls language, logic, and analytical thinking, while the right hemisphere takes the lead in spatial awareness, creativity, and emotional processing. Interestingly, the left hemisphere controls the right side of the body, and the right hemisphere controls the left side. This contralateral organization means that the left hemisphere primarily governs right-hand movements, linking right-handedness to the dominant hemisphere for language and motor control. So, where does this leave left-handers?
For years, scientists have searched for a single left-handed gene to explain this trait. However, the answer is not so simple. Research indicates that handedness is not determined by a single gene, but rather by the complex interplay of multiple genes, each with a small influence. This genetic complexity makes it challenging to predict handedness with certainty based solely on an individual's genetic makeup. While studies have identified specific genes associated with a slightly higher chance of left-handedness, no single gene acts as a definitive switch.
While genetics lays the groundwork, environmental and cultural factors also play a significant role in shaping handedness. Historically, left-handedness was often viewed with suspicion and prejudice. In some cultures, left-handed children were forced to use their right hands, leading to a suppression of their natural inclination. These societal pressures likely contributed to a lower prevalence of left-handedness in certain populations. The stigma surrounding left-handedness has diminished in many parts of the world, but its historical influence is still a topic of ongoing research.
Section 5. Shaping preferences before birth. Emerging evidence suggests that prenatal factors, even before a child is born, might influence handedness. Studies have shown a correlation between the position of the fetus in the womb and later hand preference. Additionally, factors like exposure to hormones in the womb have been linked to handedness. However, more research is needed to understand fully how these prenatal factors interact with genetics and the environment to shape hand preference.
Section 6. A glimpse inside the left-handed brain. Brain imaging studies have provided valuable insights into the neurological underpinnings of left-handedness. These studies show that left-handers often exhibit different patterns of brain asymmetry compared to right-handers. For instance, the corpus callosum, the band of nerve fibers connecting the two brain hemispheres, is often larger in left-handers. This suggests that left-handers might have enhanced communication between the two hemispheres, potentially contributing to their unique cognitive abilities.
Section 7. The left-handed experience. Challenges and triumphs. Living in a right-handed world can pose challenges for left-handers. From using scissors and can openers to navigating desks and computer mice designed for right-handed use, left-handers often need to adapt to tools and environments not designed for them. However, left-handedness is also associated with advantages in certain areas. Left-handers often excel in visuospatial tasks, three-dimensional thinking, and creative fields like music and art. Their unique brain wiring might give them an edge in processing information differently.
Section 8. Embracing the spectrum of handedness. Handedness is not a binary trait, but rather a spectrum. Some individuals are strongly left-handed or right-handed, while others fall somewhere in between, displaying mixed handedness or ambidexterity. Understanding the complex interplay of genetics, environment, and cultural influences that shape handedness is crucial. Embracing the diversity of handedness and creating a world that accommodates both left and right-handed individuals allows everyone to thrive and contribute their unique talents and perspectives.